Hello everybody, this is Mike Payton, the visionary for EOS Worldwide, and I'm really excited to be sharing our core values speech with you. Whether you're a member of the EOS Worldwide leadership team or staff, or a member of our professional EOS implementer community, it's vital that you share these 5 core values and help us perpetuate the culture that's so important to us and the people we serve. So the 5 core values are: be humbly confident, grow or die, help first, do the right thing, and do what you say. One at a time. Humbly confident simply means we're real, down-to-earth people, grateful for the opportunity to help our clients. We're confident not because we're arrogant, know-it-all consultants who feel like we need to be the smartest people in every room, but because we work our tails off. We're obsessed about preparing, delivering value, and we know we have a great toolbox with a simple set of concepts and practical tools that can help entrepreneurs get what they want from their businesses. Grow or die simply means we're people that are obsessed about learning, growing, and reaching outside our comfort zones. And we push the people around us to behave the same way. Quite frankly, we wouldn't know what contentment with the status quo feels like, because we believe at our core that there's a better tomorrow out there. And if we push ourselves and learn and grow, we can get there together. Help first simply means at the core, we are driven to deliver value before we expect anything in return. What wakes us up every day is the opportunity to help entrepreneurs and their leadership teams get what they want from their businesses. And giving freely is baked into everything a professional EOS implementer does. We're constantly delivering value, giving of our time, sharing resources, trying to make the people around us better. Do the right thing is about integrity, about doing what's right because it's right, and at the core, it's absolutely critical to us to do that every single time, as if Mom were watching our every move. We're just good, honest people, always focused on helping those around us, never violating the deep trust relationships we have with our peers and our clients, just constantly focused on doing the right thing. The 5th core value is do what you say. And very simply, we always deliver. We always keep our promises. If we make a promise, you can count on us to deliver, and the key to being great at that is, quite frankly, making fewer promises, learning to say no. But once you say no, no matter what, push yourselves outside your comfort zone, always deliver. People are counting on you. Those are our 5 core values, and if you share those core values and you can consistently exhibit them, we hope you'll consider joining our professional EOS implementer community or our team. If not, there's a place out there where you're going to fit the culture just fine. Go find that. Thank you.